Good evening, everybody. On your Doppler radar view tonight, not much happening, but you'll notice northern Herkimer, Lewis County shaded in the brown. That's a winter weather advisory. That goes from tomorrow evening into tomorrow night for the potential for a little bit of snow and ice accumulation, as we'll detail here coming up in just a couple of minutes. Tomorrow morning at the bus stop, this is what you look like. Temperatures 20 to 30 degrees. Mostly cloudy skies out there. Should be a quiet one to start off your day tomorrow. Just need the jacket. That would be about it. You might need the umbrella coming home, though, as we might have some precipitation around. 32 degrees, calm winds right now. Cloudy skies at Griffiths in Rome is the story. All is quiet here in central New York, and it should stay that way as we go through the rest of the night tonight. Plenty of clouds, though, around. You can see a lot of those clouds trying to get a few breaks to the north here, but we're not quite making it. So I think we're going to stay pretty cloudy. The light gray color indicating those low gray clouds that we have around parts of central New York here. So we'll see that as we go through the night tonight. Let's talk about what's going to happen through the night tonight and into tomorrow. We've got quiet weather here at 7 o'clock tonight. We'll run you through the night and into tomorrow morning, and you'll be able to see a couple of spotty snow showers trying to pop up here by midnight, but really nothing going on out there. I think we'll be relatively quiet. Now, as we go into tomorrow morning, things staying relatively quiet into the latter part of the morning and early afternoon. Clouds are going to thicken up, and by about 3 or 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, knocking on the doorstep will be some steady precipitation. Green, rain, pink, a mix of some sleet and freezing rain and a little bit of snow, and the blue is just snow. This will be moving through here as we go into tomorrow night. As we run you through, notice what happens, though. That green really starts to punch in here, so it moves into most of Oneida County with a little bit of a mix holding on across the Boonville area, back down through maybe Poland or so, and then snow sticking around the Adirondacks at this point. As we run you through tomorrow night and into Wednesday morning, notice the green disappears, and here comes a little bit of colder air, so we change back over to a little bit of sleet, freezing rain, and snow, but the precipitation should lighten up tomorrow night as we go toward Wednesday morning, and then as you're heading out the door Wednesday morning, just some snow showers around. So what does it mean for you? Again, this is what we're thinking. The best chance for accumulation up in the Adirondacks to the north of Old Forge, maybe a couple of inches of snow with some, perhaps a little bit of ice as well. That's why those winter weather advisories are in effect. Coating to an inch or so and a little bit of icy travel possible. Very light accumulations of ice expected across northeastern Oneida, southern Lewis, much of the southern Adirondacks. Mohawk Valley points south and west. For the most part, starts off as a little bit of an icy mix. Will start to snow, quickly go over to sleet, freezing rain, and then eventually just to plain rain, and then to the south and west, some sleet and snow at the onset, but then quickly changing over to plain rain. So all in all, not too serious of a storm system here as we go through the night tonight. We'll call it mostly cloudy for this evening. Temperatures generally falling back into the 20s here, sticking in the 20s. We're not going to fall very fast. We'll call it mostly cloudy and a little bit damp. And then for tomorrow, clouds with a little bit of rain arriving here late in the day. Again, starting off with some snow. Temperatures should make it up into the middle 30s before that, though. And we'll see the temperatures pretty much holding steady for tomorrow night and into the first part of the day on Wednesday. So as you look at your extended forecast, notice those temperatures relatively uniform through Friday, staying in the 30s. We'll have a little bit of snow on Thursday night. Then as we go into Saturday, a few snow showers, but much colder. We're going to get a quick shot of some Arctic air, and it's going to stay here. And then we have to watch the East Coast for the potential of a storm that could bring us a widespread snow probably Sunday into Monday. It's too far in advance to say much about it, but it's out there, so you'll want to stay tuned for the rest of this week. Stephen Kristen, over to you.
Which would mean, for those of us keeping score at home, that could potentially be 3 straight Mondays with that dicey, icy mix, mess,